The state health department hosted a free COVID-19 testing event this afternoon for protesters. Our Amanda Starantino was there. She's showing us why this is so important for the people attending protests downtown as the pandemic continues.
Nicole, social distancing has been put on the sidelines this week because of all those protests taking place across central Indiana and the nation. And that's why this testing is happening here today. And it was pretty slow when they started off this morning, but as people started to trickle into downtown around 3 p.m. for the sit-in this afternoon, we saw some of those protesters come and take advantage of the testing happening here today. Now, the state health department is doing their part to make sure those choosing to protest in big crowds are being safe, not only for themselves, but for others in our community. The testing took place next to the State House, where a sit-in was planned for Saturday afternoon. And although the testing was located there for convenience for those protesting, it was also an opportunity for anyone concerned about their COVID-19 status to get tested for free. For the protesters, getting tested for COVID is another way they feel they can be advocates for the cause they support.
You know, I've been shoulder to shoulder with queer and black and brown people this weekend in very close proximity. And it just made a lot of sense to make sure I know where I stand, so I know what to do moving forward. If we're going to stand with each other to protect black and brown people, like this is another way to protect, black and brown people and ourselves. Kind of like the oxygen mask in an airplane. Like, if I'm going to be helping, I really want to be okay.
I did speak with the state health commissioner, Dr. Christina Box, who was out here all day long administering those tests. She has been warning of another wave of COVID even before protests built up. And with the nature of protests, with people in close proximity and big crowds, it is a recipe to increase infection. Now, she says we should know in the next week if we are seeing a spike in COVID due to these larger gatherings. Although testing for Sunday was a possibility, the state health department did just tell me that they are not going to do that tomorrow and just wrap it up for the day here. They did say, though, that there would be future testing available. Reporting in Indianapolis, Amanda Starantino, WRTV.